Ever wanted to build apps and websites? Maybe you're just tired of your current work and are desperate for a career shift. Maybe you just want to learn to code as a hobby. If that's the case, then you need to know where to start. Because not all code is created equal. This is the age-old debate, front-end versus back-end, and what you should choose if you want to learn fast. And the cop-out answer is that there's no right answer. But the truth is, there is, and it's probably not what you think. In this video, we're going to break down what front-end and back-end development is and how they differ, what has more opportunity for career growth if that's something you're looking for, and why there's a definitive answer as to which one you should pick. And spoiler alert, it's front-end development, but we'll get to that in a second. First things first, let's give a quick rundown of what the two actually are. Front-end development is the part of tech that shapes what users see and interact with. The layouts, the colors, the buttons, animations, and the overall feel of a website or application. It's built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, blending creativity with logic, so your work is both functional and visually engaging. If coding was a theater, front-end would be the stage. Backend development, on the other hand, is the data behind the curtain. If the front end is the part of a website or app you can see or interact with, the backend is everything that happens behind the scenes to make it work. It's responsible for business logic, the rules that determine how the app behaves. For example, when a user clicks buy, process payment, update inventory, and send an order confirmation email. Data management, storing, retrieving, and updating information in databases, customer profiles, blog posts, transactions, etc. Security managing, authentication, logging in, authorization, what a user can access, and keeping sensitive data safe. Performance, ensuring the site runs efficiently, even with thousands of users online at the same time. That probably sounds like a lot, and you'd be right. It is. Backend development is not easy. University courses for computer science focus almost solely on it. So you've got superstar prodigies coding since the age of 6, studying at Yale and Harvard, becoming absolute backend wizards. It's enough to make you shut your laptop for good and find the nearest trash can to lob it into. But you'd be surprised to know that when it comes to job opportunity, salary expectation, and remote role availability, they're pretty much the same. There's currently 100,000 front-end and back-end development roles available on LinkedIn, respectively, and the current median salary for each are within a couple of grand of one another. But if you're a complete beginner and looking to break into tech fast, the clear choice is front-end. Big players aren't swarming to capitalize on teaching it yet, so you don't need to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on university. Job availability is crazy high and your salary expectations are industry leading. It's a win-win-win. But the biggest mistake beginners can make isn't learning backend first. It's trying to learn both at once. If you really have to pick one, stick with it for at least 6 months and build real portfolio-ready projects. Let me be clear. It's not that backend is bad. It's that front end gives you a faster path to getting hired, especially if you're coming from a non-technical background.